Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Ever think about getting paid to use your phone? It's a real thing. Imagine turning your daily screen time into a money-making opportunity. App testing is a cool way to make some extra cash. You get to explore new apps, find bugs, and share your experience. Plus, you get to try out new apps before anyone else. It's like being a tech insider, always ahead of the curve. If you love tech and want a simple side hustle, keep watching. This could be the perfect gig for you. This isn't about being a coding whiz. You don't need any special skills or technical knowledge. It's about using apps and sharing your thoughts. Your honest feedback helps developers improve their products. Companies need your feedback to make their apps awesome. They rely on real users like you to point out what works and what doesn't. So let's dive in and see how you can get started. From signing up to getting your first payment, I'll guide you through the entire process. First, you'll need to sign up on platforms that offer app testing opportunities. Create a profile and list your devices. Once you're registered, you'll start receiving invitations to test apps. Accept the ones that interest you. As you test the app, take notes on your experience. Record any issues you encounter and your overall impressions. Submit your feedback through the platform. Once your feedback is reviewed, you'll get paid. It's that simple. So, if you're ready to turn your phone time into cash, start exploring app testing today. Happy testing! Okay, so what exactly is app testing? It's a crucial step in the development of any mobile application. Basically, you use new apps and see how they work. But it's more than just casual use. It's a detailed examination. You're like a detective, looking for any problems or glitches. This means you need to be thorough and meticulous. Maybe a button doesn't work, or the design looks weird. Sometimes the app might crash unexpectedly or run slowly. Your job is to find those issues and tell the app creators. This feedback is invaluable for developers. Think of it like this: you're helping to polish an app before it's released to the public. Your insights can make a huge difference. Your feedback makes sure the app is smooth, easy to use, and fun for everyone. This ensures a better user experience. It's a crucial part of the app development process. Without thorough testing, an app could fail to meet user expectations. App testing involves various types of tests, like functional testing, usability testing, and performance testing. Functional testing checks if the app works as intended. Usability testing ensures it's user-friendly. Performance testing measures how well the app performs under different conditions, like heavy usage or low battery. When all these tests are done, the app is ready for launch. Your role in this process is vital for its success. So, next time you use a flawless app, remember the testers who made it possible. They ensure the app is the best it can be. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. Getting paid. There are a few ways to earn money testing apps. Some companies pay you directly for each app you test. Others might offer gift cards or freebies. You can find app testing opportunities on special platforms. These platforms connect testers like you with companies looking for feedback. We'll talk more about some popular platforms in a bit. All right, time to explore where you can find these app testing gigs. Websites like User Testing, Testbirds, and TryMyUI are great places to start. They have tons of testing opportunities from various companies. Another option is to look for beta testing programs. Many app developers release beta versions of their apps for early feedback. You can often find these programs on the app stores or the developer's website. Section 5. What you need to get started. Ready to jump in? The good news is you don't need much to start app testing. A smartphone, tablet, or computer is usually enough. Of course, having a stable internet connection is essential too. You don't need to be a tech expert, but basic tech skills are helpful. Knowing how to download and install apps, navigate menus, and provide clear feedback is important. Remember, your feedback helps developers improve their apps. Section 6. Tips for being a great app tester. Here are a few tips to rock your app testing journey. First, be detailed in your feedback. Don't just say, "This button doesn't work." Explain what happened, what you expected, and any error messages you saw. Second, be consistent. The more tests you complete, the more opportunities you'll get. Third, always review the payment methods and terms before starting a test. And lastly, stay organized and keep track of your earnings. Section 7. More than just finding bugs. App testing isn't just about finding bugs. It's about sharing your honest opinions and helping make apps better. Your feedback can influence an app's design, features, and overall user experience. So don't be afraid to speak your mind. If something feels clunky or confusing, say it. Your insights are valuable and can make a real difference in the app development process. Section 8. Start your app testing journey. There you have it, folks. Welcome to the exciting world of app testing. App testing is not just a fun and flexible way to earn some extra cash, but it's also an opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation. You get to try out new apps before they hit the market, share your thoughts and feedback, and help shape the future of technology. Your insights can directly influence the development of these apps, making them better and more user-friendly. It's a win-win situation. So, what are you waiting for? The world of app testing is waiting for you to dive in. Head over to those platforms, sign up, and get started. The process is simple and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll be exploring new app features, testing functionalities, and providing valuable feedback to developers. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll discover the next big app before anyone else. Imagine being the first to use an app that becomes a global sensation. Until next time, this is MKBHD signing out. Keep testing, keep exploring, and keep making